Hello everyone. In today's project we will be learning how to create a simple design using a turtle. A turtle is a Python tool used to create designs. Step 1 is to pick the Import Turtle block from the Import section. After that we will be picking blocks from the Turtle section. The first block that we will be picking will be the Turtle block and the next block will be the Screen block. These blocks are used to define the turtle and the screen. Now, let's start forming our design. Now we add in the turtle forward blocks from the turtle section. The turtle forward blocks specify that the turtle will move in the direction specified. We add 4 of these turtle forward blocks. Now that we have added in these blocks, we need to toggle the second and fourth forward blocks to left. Now we perform a final check. If correct, run the code and observe the output. The desired design starts forming slowly. Similarly, using Turtle we can create more shapes and designs.